Welcome to the Housie game made with Streamlit. You can peruse the rules if you are unfamiliar with the game, and tweak the default game settings only if required. Let's learn how to create the game board. This is usually done by the admin. After the game board has been created, the game reference number at the top of the game board will need to be communicated to each player, so that they can connect to that particular game. The admin can group chat with the players, if required. The buttons at the bottom enable the admin to play, pause and abort the game. If the admin aborts the game midway, then all the players are forced out of the game. After a game board has been created, play is automatically paused. The admin can start the game once all players have connected to the game. After a game has been completed, the admin must delete the game using the game reference number. Now let's learn how to create a ticket. This is done by each participating player. A game with reference number HG_0E9FKJ has been created and communicated to players. If the player has logged in before the game board has been created, or for some reason, cannot access the communicated GRN, they must click on the refresh button. The player chooses the communicated GRN from the drop-down and enters their unique name, so that they can be identified in case of a win. At the top of each ticket, you have the game and player details. Here is where all players will see the number generated by the game board. Here are 15 number buttons that a player will press in case the game board generated number in the green box matches any one of them. Once a number is matched, its color will turn green. The player will not be able to press a number not yet generated by the game board. Here are the prize buttons for first 5 or Jaldi 5, first line, second line, third line and full house. Naturally, the player will not be allowed to record a win that they are not eligible for. If multiple players win a given prize, only the first player to press the prize button will be credited with that win. Any player can abort a game midway, if needed. In such a case, the other game participants will remain unaffected. Before and during gameplay, a player can chat and receive messages from the admin and other players. Some messages will be self-generated by the game. Let's try a game as a player. You can see messages at the bottom that the admin has started the game. The first number 79 has been generated in the green box. Pressing a non-generated number will give an error message at the bottom right of your screen. A blue band containing a sorted list of all generated numbers gets created for each player's future reference. Pressing the first 5 or Jaldi 5 button without matching 5 numbers will give an error message at the right bottom of the screen. Whoever presses the prize button first, after being eligible for the win, will have their name recorded on the screen for all to see. Similarly, we continue to play the game to its very end. Once the game is over, the status of wins will be displayed. Hope you enjoy playing this game.